What's up guys, it's Alpha and I am back with another video. So for today's video guys, I'm going to be partnering up with Ishow Hair to show you all how to be a bad bitch. You want to change up your look a little bit and give a little bit. I'm going to be showing you all how I dyed this unit right here. They sent me over a 26-inch lace frontal unit, and I'm going to be doing like some coloring to it and all of that jazz. So yeah, I already parted it and everything. So I'm gonna do like a little back section back here, and I'm gonna ombre all of this, and then I'm going to ombre all of this side, the sides as well. And then for this part, I'm gonna have two like blonde streaks. So I wanna make this all one color. I don't wanna ombre it. So that's why I just have it parted out right here. But yeah, so I had to go to the beauty supply earlier and get me some bleach because I couldn't bring my bleach on a plane. I don't think that's possible, nor I wasn't about to do that because it's just unnecessary. But I have this quick blue bleach, so I never used this kind of bleach before. If I have, I don't remember using it, but I just wanted to make sure that I have a blue bleach so that I did not have to tone my hair. But I am gonna tone it because I don't want it to be like a yellow blonde. I want it to be kind of cool toned. So I also got some Shimmer Lights conditioner, and I'm gonna keep that on the head while, you know, overnight and shit like that, just so that it could be as cool toned as possible. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start bleaching the hair and everything like that. And also in this video, I'm gonna show you all how I style it, how I cut it, and how I do all of that jazz. But I'm gonna have another video coming out as well. It's gonna be a get ready with me because I'm going to an event tomorrow. So I'm gonna be applying it and doing my makeup and all of that in that video. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you all how I style the unit and do all of that jazz. So let's get started. So these are the completed curls. I'm just gonna let these set a little bit while longer because they're still a little warm. So I just want like the big voluminous curls. So I just use my flat iron right here, and this is the Babyliss Pro Prima 3000. As y'all can see, if anybody was wondering what flat iron this is, this one, but this bitch is $170, so be aware of that. Hey guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this little unit. Guys, go ahead and check out Ishow Hair. All of the information will be in the description box about this hair and about this wig. Love the hair dyed perfectly, it bleached perfectly. That's how you know this is like good version hair. This is the end of the video, and this is the wig. I'm gonna try to go ahead and finesse this lace and my get ready with me that I'm about to film. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, bitch.